Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the F.INV.RT function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will return the inverse of the right-tailed F probability distribution. So it's basically the inverse of the F.this.RT function inside of Excel. So in the F.this.RT function, we're looking for the probability, and inside of the F.INV.RT function, we are going to look for the X. So to be able to look for the X, the way it's going to work is pretty simple. We'll need three arguments. So the first one will be the probability. We'll need the first degree of freedom, which will be the numerator degree of freedom. And finally, we need the degree of freedom number 2, which will be the denominator degree of freedom. So to be able to write down that function, it's pretty simple. We will start with an equal sign, and then we'll write down F.INV.RT. And then we can open up our parentheses. So the first element will be the probability, that is just here. The second argument will be our degree of freedom, which will be 7. And the third argument will be the degree of freedom number 2, which in our case will be 3. So if we run this function, the answer is 25. And if we compare it to the function that is F.this.RT, as you can see, if the X is 25, the probability that we find is this one right here. And in this function, if we're looking for this probability right here, we'll be able to find the X that is 25. So this is how we use the F.INV.RT function inside of Microsoft Excel. So if you want to learn about, learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out my courses on the link down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.